Welcome to Need to Know, where every dough has a story and we're here to shape it together. Today, we're diving into the heart of bread making by exploring the essential ingredients that lay the foundation for every loaf. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, understanding these basics is key to mastering the art of bread. Let's begin with the star of the show flour. No other cereal flour can replace wheat flour when it comes to bread making. Why? Because wheat flour contains two vital proteins, glutenin and gliadin. When combined with water, they form gluten, the magic ingredient that gives bread its structure, elasticity, and chew. There are two main types of flour you'll encounter: hard flour and soft flour. Hard flour, also known as bread flour, is rich in protein and ideal for bread, rolls, and yeast based products. Its high water absorption capacity and strong gluten formation create a firm, elastic dough, perfect for those lofty, well piled loaves. Soft flour, on the other hand, is lower in protein, making it ideal for delicate creations like cakes, cookies, and pastries. If you're looking for tender, crumbly textures, soft flour is your go to. Now, here's a pro tip. High quality flour produces bread with smooth, even grains and a large, airy volume. If your loaf ends up with a coarse or uneven texture, it might be due to low quality flour. So always choose your flour wisely. And there you have it, the essential role of flour in bread making. Understanding this ingredient is the first step to creating beautiful, delicious bread. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll discuss the magic of yeast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your baking adventures in the comments below. Thanks for watching Need to Know.